and welcome back to WTF RC Cars. So we've got something a bit different today. We've got TRX 4 Mercedes G500 and I'm going to try it out on a few trails. Let's see how it does up here. Diff locked in low. It seems to get up that pretty well. See if we can get down in one piece. This is running all stock radio gear, stock servo. Stock tyres. Well, it got down. Looks more like it slid down than drove down.
So, first impressions. TRX4. Scale appearance of it's fantastic. I've seen quite a few people online, for whatever reason, they don't like the stock servo, the stock tyres, stock servo arm. As you see, this is running completely as it come out at box, apart from the Traxxas lighting kit. Not had any issues with it. Done about 30 or 40 laps of a track that we set up as well. Just racing on grass against a brushless conversioned Tamiya lunchbox and a brushless conversioned FTX Vantage. Yeah, it weren't as fast as them, but it did hold its own and no issues whatsoever with servo or anything. The Traxxas lighting kit, which I will tag a little bit onto the end of this video, unbelievably bright. It's got a few nice features, as in it's got its own step-down transformer. So even if you swap the ECS out, you can power it straight off a 3S LiPo, and it will keep your LEDs safe, so they're not going to blow or anything. They don't particularly have any functionality other than the one wire that takes a power feed from your receiver to tell it to turn all the lights on or all the lights off. You can't control it from the Traxxas remote, even with the Bluetooth module, so that's something worth bearing in mind. I bought this vehicle from Germany, brand new with the lighting kit thrown in with it, for considerably less than you can buy just the kit for in the UK. Would I pay 65 quid for the Traxxas lighting kit? Probably not. You'd be better off with a 20 quid kit off eBay, because they literally do nothing, the Traxxas kit. It just lights up. You've got a few links that you can remove. I think the link near the top lights puts the top lights and the headlights into a lower power state, like a dimmer. But out the box, you can't control anything on the lighting kit. Scale appearance of it, I think, is absolutely fantastic. I mean, just running down here on this little trail, it looks amazing. Really, really impressive. More than adequate with the stock provided motor and everything, but with it being a TRX4, a hell of a lot of options to change it into whatever you want. So if you want to put monstrous tyres on it, a different body shell, fasten loads of brass to it, a brushless AXE Hobbywing system, the list of things you can do to a TRX is literally endless. But yeah, so far, first impressions, I think anybody could run one of these out at box and be perfectly happy with it. That said, we have got an Hobbywing AXE system, 3300 kV I think it is, a Savox rated servo for it, and some alloy wheels and chunkier tyres, so yeah, we're going to see what it can do. Quite competent though as it is. I mean, to say that it is quite a heavy body shell, I mean, I was pushing it to some quite ridiculous angles on here, and it's incredibly loose surface, and for stock tyres it seemed to cope with it. It did roll a few times, but it was me just being excessive with it, and I'm new to crawling hobby, so it's a learning curve. But certainly the way it seemed to handle the loose stuff, The only thing I did find that absolutely stopped it in its tracks was completely loose, powdery, sort of really fine gravel and dirt. It just wheel span on it. There's not a crazy amount of grip on the stock tyres that come with the G500, but I mean, going round here, it was at quite a incline and quite a steep angle, and it didn't fall over. It carried on going, so quite impressed with it. As I say, I will tag a clip of the lights at night, because although they don't have indicators and all that lot and brake lights, the brightness of them is pretty impressive.
So, full speed first gear. Full speed diff unlocked second gear. It is running on 3S.
And again, all stock, and it seemed to climb over this really easily.
It doesn't look like dried cement or concrete's going to be any issue for it. I think they might struggle going slower up here. No, surprised me, did well.
So, yeah, the Traxxas lighting kit. It's impressive, to be totally honest. For whatever it lacks in functionality, as in indicator, brake light, the actual light that this LED kit throws out is ridiculous. And the fact that it actually seems like it throws a proper light pattern out is quite impressive. But it literally blinds the camera and lights the entire garden up. And digital cameras are not the best at picking up light or LED light. But as you can see, it is crazy bright. But I certainly don't think you'd have a problem walking down trails at night using this as your torch. But yeah, final thoughts. Lovely little car. Really nice scale appearance. And just so many options what you can do with them. But thanks again for watching WTF RC Cars. If you like and subscribe. Any comments, leave below. Don't forget to ring the notification bell. And we'll see you again next time.